Whenever you're looking to invest in real estate, you want to surround yourself with people who are playing the game at a higher level than you are right now. You've got a little bit of success, you're starting to build up your portfolio, and you don't think you need to attend these kind of events. I'm somebody who's investing over $100 million worth of apartments, and I still get value coming to events like this.
I just quit my job. Tuesday was my last day. 3 days ago, that just came over the last 2.5 years from starting to invest in real estate. We came to REWBCON last year, kind of lit a fire under us, and I came back this year, got my Successfully Unemployed t-shirt. The roadmap is key, and knowing what challenges are going to come up. Some people think like, oh, it's just getting that first couple and then I'm going to have it nailed, but there's always somebody that has already done it before. So why should we go through all the hard times and the struggles to try to figure it out?
REWBCON is everything to me because this is where I built my mastermind. I came here as an investor, not necessarily actively looking for properties, but because of the connections that I made with Dustin and other investors that were here, I ended up getting crazy deals that I would have not gotten otherwise.
I love real estate investing so much is because of what it affords me to do in my life. But what I found is that the more people that I serve in my life, the better my life gets and the better their life gets. The more money I make, the more money they make, and we all win.
Dustin is really about people. He has created this atmosphere of teamwork, of finding those people who you can mastermind with. He's creating it for people. Here's all their information. I'm just going to give it to you.
Whether you are a single family investor, whether you're a multifamily investor, you have a different strategy with flipping, it's going to help you get from where you're at today to where you want to be. And for most of us, we can't really put a monetary value on that.